Make some mashed potatoes, fried rolled tacos. And this is a game changer, okay? I am rolling it. And a trick that I learned from Instagram, I think her name is Mi Cocina Rápida, please go check her out, is you're going to put in a mixture of water and flour. No, it's not gonna taste weird. You're just gonna smear it on there. This is the consistency you want, fairly thick, and it's going to make it so that your rolled tacos stay in shape and you replace the need for skewers. Enjoy. It's gonna dry like that, deep fry. It's gonna look beautiful. So I'm gonna put my mashed potato, and my hands are clean again. It's your food, you cook with your hands. And I'm just gonna gently roll. And always, if you're gonna make any type of fried tacos, make sure your tortillas are softened. Do not use raw tortillas, they will break on you. So once you get to about this point and you have about 2 inches, you're gonna get a little bit on a spoon and just kind of smear it like a little glue. Just to show you, this works really well. This was a taco I had rolled maybe 2 minutes ago. And look, it's staying, whoops, a little bit fell off from the top, but this stays closed. So if you want, you can have it dry, you know, the right side. This is the first flip, and look. Yay!